Creating a newsletter in GetResponse is an effective way to engage your audience and keep them informed. Here's how to create one. Log into GetResponse. Visit the GetResponse login page and enter your login credentials. Access the email marketing section. From the main dashboard, click on Email Marketing in the menu. Select Create Newsletter to start a new campaign. Choose a newsletter type. GetResponse offers several options such as regular email, autoresponder, and RSS to email. Choose regular email for a standard newsletter. Select a template. Browse through the available newsletter templates or start from scratch. Pick a design that suits your style or goals. Customize the design. Use the drag and drop editor to add and modify elements like text, images, buttons, and links. Ensure the layout aligns with your branding by adjusting colors, fonts, and logos. Add content. Write engaging copy for your subscribers. Include clear CTAs that guide readers on what to do next. Set up recipients and send. Choose the email list you want to send the newsletter to. Preview your email to check for errors, then click send or schedule to send it later.